saying don't put water on it. Freeze pipe.
And you're supposed to aim it at the fire. Go ahead and hit it, Amy. Amy, you got to put it out. Come on. Where's Amy's husband? Is this what she does? All right, we're done with that.
Oh no.
Go right over the top. And there you go. That's the end of that fire, Amy, okay?
Out of here, bro.
There you go. All right.
Watch this, ready? So blow some stuff in there.
There we go. Arm's length away from this fire. Right there in the can.
All these people.
We have a bet as to whether the cupboards are going to burn. Anyone want to bet with me? So now what you see, give it just a minute, and you'll see the fire starts to roll underneath there. And as the fire gets hotter and hotter, like it would with an oil fire, look how much smoke is generated. So it's hard to see this in an open environment, but when you contain it under just those two cabinets, you can see very quickly how that smoke would be right in your face. Amy, would you want to go reach in with a towel there? No. So this is where it's very, very important that you have a proper fire extinguisher at home. All right, Amy, would you hit it one more time with the red one? You want to hit it with the water first? All right. Hit it with the water, Amy. I'll stand back here with you guys.
I don't know. Watch.
You can see very quickly how that spreads it around, right? It's already engaging the cabinet.
Oh, now we run out of water. What do we do?
I guess we call the fire department.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so Amy, get the dry chem. Now, hang on a second.
We're running late though.
Now, if you guys listen carefully, that fire is still sizzling, right? So, Amy, back off. This fire is not out. You still need the fire department. What it means is you protected your family and your kitchen until we get there. But you can still hear it snapping and popping over there. So it's still a very dangerous environment and still very capable of catching fire. But now the fire is at least under control and contained. So how about a big hand for Amy? What's going?
They don't need that.
Now the back of the stove is on fire already?
It is real.
I don't think it's going to reach it. All right, Amy. Is it empty? Is it empty? No.
Here's the deal. That's right. Just put it on fire.
Gently. You can see how very quickly this fire is going to spread and get into the cupboard. So just for you guys who own a kitchen at home, this takes a stove fire into a $30,000 or $40,000 disaster in your house very quickly. The smoke, the damage to the cupboards, all your food, your clothes, your carpet, everything is junk when this happens. All right, Amy, where are you with your dry chem?
You
can't put it out, it'll be okay.
I know the guy.
This is why Amy will never volunteer for anything again. All done.
Too late.
All right, too late. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, everybody. We'll let it burn out.